I strongly believe that the future of entertainment is online video streaming, and Yep TV is clearly the leader in this paradigm shift. So I'm extremely happy and honored to be associated with Yep TV. I wish you all the best, sir, in achieving all your goals. I remember a long time, it was I think 6 years ago, I was shooting for Dukudu. We were in Switzerland then, in a small hotel, and the television channels, it didn't even have a TV, that hotel. It was a small hotel. It just had Wi-Fi, and one of our producers was watching a Telugu news channel on his iPad. And we were all amazed. I mean, I was like, how are you doing this? And he said, there's a new app called Yup TV, and you can download this and watch it. I thought it was an amazing app at that time, and never did I know that I'll be associated with them. So I'm extremely happy and proud to be associated with them. Like, I got introduced to it 6 years ago, and like I said, it was an amazing app. And after that, every time I'm in my house and all that. And for me, you know, my only source of my hobby is like I watch a lot of TV. If I'm not shooting, I watch TV.
Okay.
So something like Yup TV is my favorite.
Great.
And to be associated with them today is like, I'm really happy. I can't explain it.
Excellent. Thank you much.
Any other question? Maybe we can take a couple of more here.
Shooting level, I'll be watching TV and you name it, the films, television content, all kinds of stuff. And I love watching.
పేపర్ వ్యూ గురించి కొంచెం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారు.
Will actually eliminate the piracy, in my view. Because after 3-4 weeks, when it is on pay-per-view, the theatrical run these days, any big film, it's only a 3 to 4 week run. So after that, it's on pay-per-view, which is original content again. So because of this, I don't think the piracy will be there. Even if it is there, nobody's going to watch it. So it gets eliminated automatically. It's not about net surfing. It's generally, if I have the free time, I like to watch a movie or any TV show. So it's, for me, that's more than enough, that entertainment.
Mahesh garu, what is your criteria in selecting brands? You do endorse for number of brands. How do you select them? Are brands selecting you, or you are selecting brands?
I've been lucky in that way. I think the brands are selecting me, and I'm very happy, and I'm very excited, especially this association with Yup TV, because it's one of my favorite watch entertainment is. And to be associated with Yup TV is really, I'm really happy.
I want to know how do you check the credibility of the brands and
There's nothing, and now, when suppose if someone says Yup TV wants to be associated with you, there's nothing to check the credibility because Yup TV is really good. So you know what I'm saying?
No,
So,
I'm not talking about only Yup TV. I'm talking about your
it's all the brands which
brands
I
that you
endorse.
endorse.
They're very big brands which I endorse. So I've been lucky in a way. There are some which I don't get associated also.